A very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is GIS, under the subject Remote Sensing and GIS, where the basic functions of the GIS includes data entry, data display, management, information retrieval and analysis. Basically, GIS is a tool which takes an input of data entry and gives an input of data display, where management, information retrieval and analysis takes place and plays an important role. This flow chart shows you that how internal and external users with the data management and output process takes place. Internal users, internal database, internal management, where this particular data management system takes place. However, the input, then the analysis, same with the GIS database, and output has been correlated and interrelated with the process of internal and external database. When internal users, internal database and internal management works with the data management, we get an external management, external user and external database. Thus, the basic points are data, procedure analysis, expert and skilled personnel. Basically, geographical data, which is in the form of hard copy, map, digital maps, aerial photographs, images from satellites, statistical tables and other documents are used for GIS operations. Procedure and analysis. This is basically a complete task where some steps are involved and which are basically performed using hardware and software process. Some of the skilled personnels are always used with the knowledge where the area is required to apply GIS properly at different levels. Now the next process which comes under the functions of GIS is data manipulation and analysis, where spatial analysis takes place. Particularly in this, we include simple searches, network analysis, buffering, corridor analysis, proximity analysis and Boolean analysis, which is union and intersection, which we have studied in the last class. This is how the final output is being covered up by presentation and visualization, that is being a map making, charts, tables, 3D views, generation and animations, etc. This is how we get an output through functions of GIS. Thank you and have a good day.